investors, please gather your hearts, lend your ears as we present a message.
والآخرة خير من الأولى إن هذا له الصوف العلا
السلام المؤمن المهيمن اللذيذ الجبار المتكبر الخالق الباري المصور الغفار القهار.
Enjoy the performance.
Tragic day gave birth to Ashari Academy. I had privilege of performing Holy Hajj 2 months later in December of 2006. While the rest of the 30 lakh Hajis were praying on the grounds of Arafat, I again decided to pray alone and fearlessly climb on top of the Arafat mountain. In addition to other prayers, I repeated the prayer of Prophet Zechariah, alayhi salam, Rabbi la tadharni fardan wa anta khairul warisin. My Lord, do not leave me alone with no offspring, while you are the best of the inheritors. Out of nowhere, a flock of birds flew in front of my eyes, and I was 100% convinced that God answered my prayers. God blessed me with a beautiful, smart voice and God-fearing wife, and
There are 3 messages I want to share with you today. First message I want to share with you is a story about a butterfly effect. In 1963, Edward Lorenz presented a hypothesis to the New York Academy of Science. His theory stated, a butterfly could flap its wings and set molecules in motion which could move other molecules of air, starting a chain reaction that can cause a hurricane on the other side of the planet. How many of
the architects of our intellects, the mentors who ignite the flames of curiosity and inspire us to reach for the stars. Your passion for knowledge, your commitment to excellence, and your tireless efforts in the classroom shape the minds of tomorrow.
Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk about something that has the power to transform our lives, our communities, and our world. Yes, I'm talking about knowledge. What is knowledge? Knowledge is the foundation of human progress and development. It empowers us to make informed decisions.
Dancers, as they take the stage and share their cultural heritage with us all. And
सबसे पहले तो आप सबको कंग्रेचुलेशंस कि आपने रिसेंटली क्लास 10 का एग्जामिनेशन दिया, बहुत अच्छा स्कोर किया आपने। अब जिन बच्चों के मार्क्स कम भी आए हैं उन सबको भी मैं कंग्रेचुलेट करना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि आपको ये याद रखना होगा कि आपको थोड़ी सी मेहनत करने की ज़रूरत है, बाकी आप किसी से भी कम नहीं।
अल्लाहु 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 ये ज़मीं जब ना थी, ये जहां जब ना था, ये ज़मीं जब ना थी, ये जहां जब ना था, चांद सूरज ना थे, आसमां जब ना था, चांद सूरज ना थे, आसमां जब ना था, ये ज़मीं जब ना थी, ये जहां जब ना था, ये ज़मीं जब ना थी, ये जहां जब ना था, चांद सूरज न थे, आसमां जब न था, चांद सूरज न थे, आसमां जब न था, राज़े हक भी किसी पर आया जब न था, राज़े हक भी किसी पर वो राज़े हक भी किसी पर आया जब ना था,
राज़े हक भी किसी पर आया जब ना था,
वो जब ना था कुछ यहाँ,
जब ना था कुछ यहाँ,
जब ना था कुछ यहाँ, था मगर तू ही तू।
Because you are the parent body, you are the stakeholders. And any parent is always respected and he is always esteemed, whether the child is in nursery or he is in K-12. So first of all, I would like that all parents should give a good round of applause for their kids. No, AA is best. And Birla is going to kick me out. Why AA is best? To be very honest, I have no idea. I've not read the itinerary of the program. I'm literally very sorry, my apologies. But I can see it's just, a get together. Or you can say passing from one step, one level, I will be always there. Number one, there are many kids who might be knowing me and many parents who might be knowing me. So this school has struggled emotionally. Try to promote. Money, building is always there, but there is a soul. And if any stakeholder will not understand that soul impartation, that's very unfortunate. Connect, feel, empower, and take the courage, make these kids shining stars. It's not important that they should be only doctors and engineers. There are so many professions where the world has changed. They can be a good musician, they can be a good artist. Create your mindset, get out of that IIT NEET only. That is equally important when it comes to the Kashmir region. But when it comes to, when we talk about the competency-based education, it's altogether different. We talk about NEP, we talk about NCF, but there is no implementation. At last, parent wants mera bachcha Angrezi mein baat kare.
So I'm gonna start off slow, but then I'm gonna raise it. Everybody repeat after me. Everybody say hey. Everybody say whoa.
के लिए इतना काफी है कि उनके लिए आप तालियां बजाएं। वो करोड़ों अरबों रुपयों से भी ज्यादा है। इससे पहले कि आप तालियां बजाएं, एक शेर के लिए, किसी से कोई शिकवा है न दिल में कोई नफरत है, किसी से कोई शिकवा है न दिल में कोई नफरत है, मिले हो तुम हमें जब से ये दिल खूबसूरत है। जाहिद साहब, तू अपनी कद्र कर, रहबर बना तुझे नायाब बनाया है। तू अपनी कद्र कर, रहबर तुझे नायाब बनाया है। तेरी किस्मत में दुनिया की कयादत और इमामत है। जोरदार तालियों के साथ इनका हौसला कीजिए। शुक्रिया सर, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। ओके, प्लीज।
Assalamu alaikum to all. Actually, this thing was not in the script to Mansoor sir as edited by himself, but actually it is not whether me or him am here, it is all because of the faculty, whether they are from teaching block or non-teaching block, and at the same time it is the cooperation of the parents that we stand here right now, because from last 4 or 5 years we are having a lot of challenges that there is this COVID or application of article, but I thank all the parents who are associated with the academy that they cooperated with us, and inshallah we are with you. We will make your dreams to come true. Thank you very much.
Yes, Assalamu alaikum to all the parents. As Jasa told that we were not in the script, so we have not prepared as much. But yes, I would say thank you to all the parents who are here. You are the stakeholders of this academy. we just want to assure you that please be at ease. Remember that your kids are in the safe hands. They are our kids. We love them. They are my kids. I love them as I do my own kids. I consider myself to be the mother of all these kids who are over here. So thank you so much for coming here. Thank you.
हमारी महफिल में लोग बिन बुलाए आते हैं, हमारी महफिल में लोग बिन बुलाए आते हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ स्वागत फूलों से नहीं पलके बिछाए जाते हैं। Ladies and gentlemen, proud parents, graduating students, on behalf of entire event management committee, in particular, and all the faculty of AAA in general, we would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to each and everyone for making this event a resounding success. First and foremost, we are honored to have the distinguished presence of Dr. Firoz Pedal, owner of the Asher Ali Academy, Dr. Anisa Padar, co-chairperson of Asher Ali Academy, whose arrival makes a momentous occasion for all of us.
That vision has touched my heart, and I thought to take this decision to come to the Kashmir and to serve for the Kashmiri people. And that for that reason only, I want to connect to you all people from the heart only. मेरी आपसे यही रिक्वेस्ट है कि ये एकेडमी जो है अभी तक 10th क्लास तक मानी जाती थी बहुत अच्छे नाम से, बट अब हम इसको और ऊंचाई तक लेना चाहते हैं और हम इसमें हायर सेक्शन ऐड कर रहे हैं। 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, NEET and JEE will be taken also.
Now the students march past in their caps and gowns. Let's give a big round of applause to class UKGG with their amazing HRT Miss Tasina, with their associate teacher Miss Ishrat Altaf. Encourage the graduates and their HRT to step forward and strike a pose for the photograph.
देवान कट्या निगारो चान हुसनन करिन देवान कट्या गम आशक चिड़ी पलवा बनित मस्तान कट्या बकर है नाज़नीनो जनाज़न पोश वथरने जनाज़न पोश वथरने बकर है नाज़नीनो जनाज़न पोश वथरने जनाज़न पोश क्या लोल जिगरस में छन अरमान कट्या मनई क्या लोल जिगरस में छन अरमान कट्या. This couplet is very special and this is for you. सारा गाना ही वैसे आपके लिए है तो ये करी वरान शहर